Hello everyone, welcome to our weekly learning series from the book of Peter Drucker. Here we are with week 39 and the title is Work in an Area of Your Contribution. Let me begin here today with an example from Abraham Lincoln. And he said, in the end, it's not the years into your life that counts, it's life in your years. Makes sense, right? As we talk about life, knowledge workers often have two lives. First, in which they make a living and perhaps achieve success. And second, they seek significance after fulfilling responsibilities to their families. It's at this point in which they may be in a position to make the future happen. But the reality of the game itself, the clock is ticking. What once looked like an eternity ahead of you is now within the reach. While you are not afraid of end of the game, but you do want to make sure that you finish it well. That you leave something behind which no one can take away from you. Let me also bring here an example of Nobel Prize and Oscar Award winner George Bernard Shaw. And once he said on contribution that life is not a brief candle to me. It's a sort of a splendid torch which I got, hold for a moment, and I want to make it burn as brightly as possible before handing it over to future generations. Moving on, a person's strength and the way that person performs rarely conflict. The two are complementary. But sometimes there may be a conflict between the person's strength and his values. What one does well, and even very well and successfully, may still feel incomplete and not find worthy enough to devote his entire life or even a significant portion of it. This reminds me about the real life story about my conversation with my previous line managers a week ago. She joined that organization as a marketing head and promoted to the CEO in the next 2 years. She had a massive target of turning that business unit around from a loss-making to a profit-making setup. And the entire team did it in another 2 years. And now she is a CEO for clusters of business units. So when I was interacting with her, and she surprised me with a statement that, Sunil, I am thinking about taking early retirement. She wanted to do something more meaningful, which is more of the contributory nature to the masses, and which ultimately gives her, at the end of the day, joy and satisfaction. So this, I think, it's a unique area of contribution for her, and very soon she is going to explore. So, how to explore that meaning and joy? Our unique contribution will be found at the point where our strength meets our values. We will get to know this by the enthusiasm we feel for our work and for our life. It may take a while before we are able to explore that area for ourselves and it becomes a reality. But it's for sure worth giving it a try. So as a way forward, what's your unique area of contribution? What do you want to be remembered for? Are you making progress? Remember, the clock is ticking. Here is wishing you all the best. We'll see you in the next week with another Business Weekly Bite. Till then, stay safe, take care and happy learning.